too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, as long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie getting made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, as long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie getting made.
Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel.
Erosion
Erosion?
in the ground, and it makes a
Erosion of
volcano.
Shake it, sit it down, pop it. Shake it, sit it down, pop it.
Where do volcanoes come from?
They could come from anywhere. They could come from on land or in the water. You never know. There might be some in the sky you don't know about.
Two plates coming into each other. They go up like this.
This is about to be.
The ground?
How do you feel about volcanoes?
Volcanoes suck, but
Plates under the ground.
Can you film this for me? Can you put the camera on? Keep it horizontal. Can you tell me what you know about volcanoes? No, wait. No. That hurt. That's baking soda.
ooh,
Baking soda!
ooh, look at your hand.
Aww.
You guys about to kiss?
Like, just say, are you gonna ask the question?
2 fun facts about volcanoes.
They're big and explosive.
Give yourself a listen.
I got liquid soap.
Balsamic vinegar. Senior presentation.
The tectonic plates go together. They form a hump in the Earth's mantle, and it crust and
Ready? Volcano by Jimmy Buffett. I don't know where I'm gonna go when the volcano blows. Ground she's moving under me. Tidal waves out on the sea.
Are volcanoes wet?
Very.
Oh my god.
Where do volcanoes come from?
They come from the shifting of Earth's plate when magma comes up through the crust and forms into a volcano.
That was the best answer of the day.
It wasn't good.
Where do volcanoes come from?
Island volcanoes, and we're all on an island. Yeah.
I'm waiting for you to tell me about this so I can learn.
Oh yeah.
The geological origins is, the ground.
It does. It's good. It doesn't smell old.
Take a sip, take a sip.
I don't think I could win from black.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh my gosh, I have an idea. Let's make this a reality TV show.